Friends, don't be fooled by phishing emails. Phishing emails are a type of cybercrime, and their goal is to fool you into clicking on a link and then steal your personal information like bank account numbers, tax ID numbers, account passwords, and the list goes on. They can also drop malware on your PC. So don't click on these links and delete these emails right away. But these people are getting really smart, and it's getting harder and harder to identify these emails. So in the next few short videos, I will show you a few tips on how to identify and be suspicious of these emails. If you want to see the whole series of these videos, then don't forget to subscribe. The first step is to be suspicious. Be suspicious when you see these red flags. A big red flag is creating a sense of urgency, a sense of fear. Here are some examples. Your Apple ID account is locked, and unless you click here and verify some information, it will be disabled forever. And it seems very legitimate coming from Apple. Another example. Your credit card on file has expired. Please click here and update your credit card information. Don't do it. IRS or whatever tax department in your country is missing some information and is looking for you. Please click here and update your tax ID or maybe some other form of personal information. Don't do it. Red flag number 2.